In this video, I will show you how to create a Jira account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to google.com and Google search for Jira. Now, the official website is atlassian.com/Jira/official, so make sure to click onto the official website to be taken to the official Jira website. From here on the homepage, you're going to see the option to sign up. What you can do is sign up with a work email, or alternatively, what you can do is continue with a Google or Microsoft account. In this example, I'm going to sign up with one of my Google accounts, but of course you can set up a Jira account with your work email by using the box here and clicking the sign up button. So what you need to do if you're not signed in is sign into the Google account that you want to set up a Jira account with. I'm just going to use my Tech Tutor contact email, and then what you want to do is click on to continue on the next screen. So what's going to happen now is going to take you to a screen like this to finish creating your account. So what you need to do is enter your full name, check the email address is correct, and then click on to continue. What you can then do is create your site. So the site is the shared space where people can organize teams, work, and projects. It does give you a suggested site name, but of course you can change this to whatever you want. For now, I'm going to leave this as is. And you can see this one is available as we have a green tick. So once you've done that, click on to continue. And then what it's going to do is load up a window like this. It's just going to take a minute or two to get everything set up and ready to go. Once everything is set up, it's going to ask what kind of work you do. So this helps us suggest templates that help your team to do their best work. If you don't see your exact kind of work, just select the one that's most relevant for you. For example, I'm going to select IT support. What you can then do is select a template to get started. As you can see, there's a couple you can choose from. What I'm going to do is stick with the Kanban template. You can see a brief description underneath each template to help you decide which template would be best for you. So now what you're going to do is set up your workspace. So this way we're going to help your team track progress, stay organized, and manage tasks. What you need to do is name your space. Again, it's going to suggest a example name, but you can choose whatever name you want to call your space. For now, I'm going to leave this as the example space name, which is my IT team, and then click the Get Started button. The next step is going to be what types of work you need, and you can see these form the building blocks of your space. You don't need to worry too much about selecting these right now, as you can change these later on if you want to, but there's a couple of available ones. Again, I'm just going to leave the pre-selected ones and click next at the bottom. What you can then do is add different statuses for your work. So again, it's going to give you some examples. For example, to do, in progress, waiting for customer, and resolved. But you can, of course, add your own statuses and delete as required. Once that's done, click on to next. And at this point, it's going to take you to a screen where you can invite people to your Jira workspace. So you can see we've got a share link here. What you can do is click the copy link button and send this to your team members, where they'll be able to onboard onto Jira and join your workspace. You can also invite via email by clicking into the box and selecting the email and entering the email of the people that you want to invite. Of course, you don't have to do this straight away. You can just come down and click do this later, in which case what it's going to do is skip past that step and take you to your workspace in Jira. So this is what your workspace is going to look like. As you can see, it's all set up good to go, and that is how to create a Jira account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.